Hello there. Well, it's still experimenting time for me. I want to try another dump and swirl, slightly different to other methods that some of the artists use. I'm going to use black. This one is Montmartre black mixed with PVA glue and water. I'm not using any Floetrol at all today. And the two colours I want to use for hopefully to come through the black are my gold and silver from the artists range of paints. And that's what they look like in their tubes. So I'm going to start by putting down black around the edges, and then I will start puddle pouring the gold and silver, cover it with the black and swirl it round and see what I can get. So wish me luck. Well, that's certainly come out differently. I started out trying to do a dump and swirl, had absolutely no luck, used a lot of paint which I will be saving to use as base paint in future pours. And did a little bit of this and a little bit of that, which you've all seen, and finally got my wonderful blowing up glove, latex glove, and put the paint onto the glove and dipped it down to give the bright colours. And I have to give credit to Fiona Art for that. I watched it on her last live video where she actually put the paint onto the glove instead of onto the picture or picking it up from within the painting. So thank you very much, Fiona. I'm really happy with that method. I will be using it more. So now I'm going to bring it up to the light for you to see. I've got to do that for before I do, I'm just going to give it a quick torch, as there are quite a lot of bubbles. And when I bring it up towards the light, if you can see the bubbles, I think they detract from the overall result. So I like to get rid of as many of the bubbles as I can with my blowtorch, and sometimes if I'm really lucky I might get other things like little bits of lacing coming through, which isn't happening on this, but never mind, I think I've just got so much paint on there. So now I will bring it up and show you in the light how pretty it is. I'm trying to avoid the sunlight because it's starting to come through the window, but I want you to see how gorgeous that looks with all its colours coming out beautifully and brightly. And just, I'm so pleased with how that has come out. It's very, very pretty with those colours that I used on the balloon, and I will definitely be playing around with that to see what I can make. So that's it for me for today. I've had a wonderful play around, more experimenting. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.